Hey guys, I'm slowly getting ready. Check me out. 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 Yeah, these are my outfit. That's babe outfit. Look at Benjamin.
You already know what it is.
What's up?
Coming through with the.
You see your boy.
Boy move.
You know what
The
it
Nike
is.
shorts, the
move.
black jeans.
But y'all,
I can't even see me.
I'm on here because I have a very, very special gift. I wasn't gonna record it, but we YouTube family. So these are homemade. Well, not homemade. I ordered them. They made them, but it's special. I hope they like it. And you. Hold on, y'all.
I'm with a big box.
So let me scoot it back some, guys.
Alright, you open it?
Y'all can open it.
Oh. I'm open.
I'm wearing
Thank you, Mama. I'm gonna check this out. This is nice.
Can y'all see they faces? Can y'all scoot in? Scoot in some.
This is nice. I'm gonna take me out. I'm gonna take me out. I'm gonna take this off. How do you take out the small
Get that box,
box? I'm never taking it off.
How do you take out the small box?
Y'all like it?
I love it. Thank you.
Aw, son, you gonna make me cry.
Did you get you one? How do you? Oh.
Guys, I'm over here sharing with tears. This is a moment. This is a very special moment. I went, got tears in my eye. Y'all, we want to have a Christmas party. Not all this crying. But look, y'all, look.
It's going hard.
I made this. I spent a lot of money. They dad do not like taking pictures. So it's hard to find a picture by himself. This is the only picture he had. Like, y'all. So I got them a key made. And then on the back it say, Mom and Dad, rest in peace. We love you. The day he was born, the day he passed away. But, yes. And what made me get it was when Junior played football. And when he's not all the way there. And, you know, I might not make a game, but he know I'm going to be at every goddamn game. But, you know, I might come late, so he going to need some motivation.
Well, yo, it's cute as
We was at the dentist.
Oh, yeah, you remember that background?
Yeah, we was at the dentist. I remember that picture, though, because I took it. And Daddy was mad at me because I heard it and snapped it. You got it? I had bought y'all different keychains. You can take this off because it said this can be a keychain or a necklace, but that's not using as a.
No, Mama, show you a picture right here.
Yeah, I showed them.
Yo, look.
Now they got me crying. Let me get a napkin. Over here got tears in the eyes and shit. I'm glad I didn't do no makeup. But Lord, I would have been really over here in makeup.
I'm wearing both of these.
But yeah,
I'm not taking these off.
honestly, look, I had that gift for months.
I'm not taking this off.
Because I had to order it, I had to actually find a picture, and then they messed up on one of them, and y'all know my anger. So I was like, no, you'll give my money back, you gonna redo it. They finally got it right. The picture came out lovely. The words I wanted on there came out perfect. Every spelling came out right. That was a very meaningful gift. It wasn't for me to show family, it was me and kids moment, but I recorded. So we gonna end this video, y'all. Peace out. I come back in a little bit.